Hey everyone! If you're not seeing the music option on Instagram, I've got a few quick steps that will help you fix it. First, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if available. Features like music may disappear if your app is out of date. Next, check your account type. Business accounts may have limited access to music due to copyright issues. To fix this, tap your profile, then Settings, go to Creator Tools and switch to a personal or creator account. Sometimes music isn't available in certain regions. If you are in a restricted area, you can try using a VPN to access the music feature. Finally, log out and back in. Log out and back into Instagram. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Logout, then sign back in. This can refresh the app and bring back the music option. And that's it. By following these tips, you should be able to get the music feature working again on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!